that was 1 in a million.
Social media marketing time. 5 myths about social media marketing. You look like an idiot. Biggest social media marketing myth. I don't need social media marketing. Yeah, you do. This is what we're doing right now. This is marketing. Social media. YouTube is kind of like a social media. Nah. You're all gonna comment below and insult me, so I guess that's social. Social media is really hard. There's always something new happening. They're always messing up what you're doing. Facebook and Instagram, always changing things. Something was good then, now it's not good now, because they basically find the ways that we trick the system to make people see our businesses, and then they change it so we can't trick the system anymore. That's the truth. Buying likes doesn't work. We can tell when you're cheating. Buying followers, that doesn't work because people that are liking your photos aren't the type of people that you want to attract. If you have 20,000 followers and only 40 likes on average on each picture, ding, 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 you paid for those followers. I have 18,000 followers, and if you take a look, my likes are 500, 300, 400, 300, 200. They're not always really high, but they're an appropriate ratio, which is anywhere from 1 to 10% for how many followers that you have. Numbers that matter. Engagement matters. Engagement from real people, engagement from people with a similar demographic to the client that you're looking for. Oh, myth number 3. I don't have to post all the time. Yeah, you do. We need to know you're live. Anybody home? Are you a total hack that's taking everyone's money and running away with it? Guess what? You're a photographer. Instagram is your new portfolio. So many clients look here and don't even look at your website. They just come here and go to the top, and maybe you have your website here and they click it, but usually they're looking on their phone, and on the phone it just says email or call or directions, and they're not even going to your website. I booked a bride 3 days ago. Instagram. Found me on Instagram, called me, sent her a contract. There's too much of this. $8,000. Instagram. Another myth, you don't always have to post your own stuff. I get okay reach, but it's not that fabulous. But when I post something of someone else's, this is called popular content. Post things that are popular. Like 3 brides getting married on the same day. They're sisters. You know how many people interact with this? Look at all the likes. Got all these comments and things, right? As opposed to this, I don't have any comments. Yeah, it's a pretty picture, but you want to get interaction. Myth number 5, you have to do your social media yourself. No, you don't. You can pay people to do that. You can hire a virtual assistant. Your office manager can do it. Your 13-year-old grandchild can do it if you want, all right? But make sure that it is your voice and your work that's going out there. But hey, you can pay people to do it. It's true.
Remember, the force will be with you, always.
Ready for more? Click the link below to discover 3 huge mistakes you're probably making with social media. Make sure that you're subscribed here to Adorama TV, but really to my TV show, Breathe Your Passion. This is where you're gonna get a ton of information that will help you succeed. Oh, and follow me on Instagram. Link is below.